One of the biggest challenges to build skills efficiently and effectively is the ambiguity around the skill building process. When you set out to build a skill, you want to know, where do I start? How do I push past plateaus and overcome roadblocks? What do I work on each day and each week? How do I know if I'm making progress? When these questions go unanswered, skill building becomes hard, frustrating, and time-consuming. It's no wonder we feel disorganized and we feel like we're spinning our wheels. That's exactly how my husband Paul and I felt about a decade ago when we were building skills in order to make career changes. Perhaps like us, you never learned how to build skills effectively in school. So, like us, you defaulted what we now call the non-effective way to building skills. It's when you focus on the wrong things and practice them in the wrong way. And for years, this is the path Paul and I chose. The non-effective way means you wind down many paths and hit many dead ends because you're unsure of what to work on and in what sequence. You're unclear about how to get past roadblocks. And you're unsure if your hard work is actually paying off. You also default to habits like working through mindless repetitions, focusing on things that are easy or enjoyable, avoiding feedback, opting for passive modes of learning. We were unaware that there is a better, more effective path to building skills. More to the point, we didn't realize we had a choice in the matter. But we did, and so do you. And that's what this video is all about, an alternative approach to build the skills you need efficiently and effectively. This video is the first in a mini course on skill building. Building a skill doesn't have to be so hard. There's an efficient and effective way to build skills without burning out or winding down random paths and hitting a bunch of dead ends. Paul and I call it the effective way. It's the direct way to build the skills you need for the life you want. The effective way is about working on the right things in the right way. It involves breaking down your skill and working on one part at a time, the part that's going to have the biggest impact on your overall progress. The effective way also champions working on each part of your skill efficiently and effectively. This means you work beyond the limits of your current ability, which is where you're going to learn and grow the most. You seek feedback, you measure progress, and you set specific goals each time you set out to work on your skill. And you aim for quality reps. When you choose the effective way, you see progress, you push past plateaus, and you achieve results. The effective way is also the way to be in control of the skill building process and actually enjoy it. It's the way to meet and exceed your expectations. It's the way to get the most from your time and get what you want out of life. And it's never too late to make the change, as Paul and I can attest. You too can choose the effective way. The effective way and the non-effective way both require time and effort, but there are two critical differences between these approaches. What you spend your time and effort on and how you go about building your skill determine the path you take. When you choose the effective way, you feel organized and in control. You also feel confident that you're on the right path because you're working on the right things in the right way. Now, it's not to say you're never going to get stuck. Undoubtedly you will. But, and this is the key point, building a skill is far more productive as well as a lot more fun when you have a system in place, and the effective way is that system. You don't have to default to the habits you picked up in school. You don't have to suffer through a tedious journey. You don't have to settle. Building a new skill, be it for personal or professional reasons, is a beautiful thing. Yes, it involves hard work and time, as most things do, but you should also enjoy the journey. It's exciting to see the progress being made right before your eyes. It's thrilling to feel the momentum as you add new layers to your skill. You feel motivated by the small strides you make each and every day. And you're amazed at what you're doing things beyond your imagination. Enjoying this journey is what makes the skill building process so great. Outcomes change when we allow ourselves to choose an effective system. Choose a better, more effective path. Choose the effective way. And join me in the next video in this mini course on building skills to learn about the first step in shaping your own effective way. In the meantime, we'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let us know about your skill building journey. Thank you so much for watching, and make it an effective day.